Welcome back to another video. So, I finally got my hands on some liner gels. Can you believe it? I don't own any. Well, I do now. But I didn't own any up until these. So, these are from Modelones and these are glow in the dark. So, they're in 8ml glass bottles. 6 colours. So, there's 2 yellows. This is like a normal yellow. I love these brushes. They're a completely different material to your normal gel brushes. These are really rigid and they just bend straight back into place. I really like the brushes on them. I do. I like them a lot. So yeah, this is just a normal yellow or like a bright lemon. It's a really bright lemon. And this is a neon yellow. I would much rather have had a purple than 2 yellows. I'm just going to show you them side by side. Yeah, one's like a bright lemon and one's just your standard neon, ain't it? So you get your neon orange, really bright neons they are, as well as glow in the dark. A nice bright green. Look at that pink, I love it. It's like that kind of coral kind of pink, isn't it? I love that colour. And then you get a really nice blue as well. I liked this blue. I liked it a lot. So I thought, rather than doing a set, actually I'm lying, I did a set last night, I hated them. So I'm doing it again. I changed my mind. So I'm just going to base coat these 5 tips. I end up only doing 4 because it took me ages. And I'm just going to show you 4 different things you can do with them rather than do a set. Just 4 different ideas kind of thing. So I'm using this. This is one of my favourite nude colours. And this is out the brown. They do a set of 6 on Amazon. I got these. And it's a brown collection, but it's got really nice nudes in it. So I'm just going to give this just 1 coat. It's all you need. Look at that coverage. I love these nudes in this brown set. They're really nice. 1 coat. I've got a discount code for Modelones, guys. I'll leave it in my description box. Not sure what it is off the top of my head, but it'll be down there anyway. So I've gave that a matte top coat because I'm going to paint on it. And I'm using this white from Modelones as well. Again, this is a really good white. So on this nail, you can either do two coats using the neon or use a white coat and a neon coat. If I'm going to be needing 2 coats anyway with neons, I'd much rather do 1 coat white and 1 coat neon. I just think neons pop so much better over a white. So I've gave that another matte top coat and I'm literally just going to do a rainbow. Just to show you how easy these liners go around bends and corners. Like, this is the first time I've used them. It took me a minute or 2 to get used to the brushes, but the brushes are really not stiff but bendy and flexible. They're not soft like your gel polish standard brushes, and they just go where you want them to go. I really enjoyed using them. I thought, what's the hype around gels? I'd much rather just stick some blobs on my palette and use a liner brush, but you don't have to clean your brush off in between each colour. You don't have to put blobs on your palette. They're just so quick, easy, convenient. I actually really enjoyed them. I didn't think I'd be a fan, but I really liked them. I'm just flash curing these in between each colour. Yeah, they're quite opaque. They're quite pigmented for neons. I really enjoyed them. So another matte top coat. And I'm just going to do some little dots just to finish off the design, really. 5 little dots in a circle. Just makes like a little daisy, doesn't it? Kind of thing. Easiest flowers. I learned how to do these flowers a couple of weeks ago. And I think it's fantastic. Anything quicker and easier, yeah, I'm all for that. So I'm just going to sprinkle it in this clear holographic from Glitter Planet. You can't see the hollow on camera. It's a beautiful glitter. You can see it a little bit in this tray, look, when I show you out of focus. Can you see the hollow? It's a stunning glitter and it's ultra fine. I love it. So I'm just going to stick a gem in the middle of them flowers and that'll be this. I was going to say that'll be this set finished, but no, that'll just be this tip finished. Cute, quick, easy design. I like it. Right, so this next nail, I've already painted it black and I'm using a no wipe top coat. And I've just cured it for 20 seconds instead of 30. And I'm just going to rub this gold chrome powder into that no wipe top coat. Yeah, just slightly under cure your no wipe top coat. If it's supposed to cure for 30, I'd just give it 20. And I'm just going to quickly seal that in again with a top coat because I want that to stay shiny. And again, I'm just going to do some rainbows. Again, I've used white. Instead of doing 2 coats of the colour, I'd rather do 1 white, 1 colour. But it's entirely up to you. I like them better over a white. So I've already done the white off camera. And I'm just going to go over them now with the colours. Just carry that on down the whole nail. Again, flash cure in between each colour. So if you make a mistake, you don't have to wipe it all off. But you can see they're quite creamy and opaque for neons. I really liked them. So now I'm just going to sprinkle that with clear acrylic. Just so that I've got the shiny background and the stripes stay matte. And that's that one done as well. Quick and easy design. I like it. So this is probably the easiest one out the lot. You don't need to be precise, just slap it on in quite thick lines. However wide, you can do skinny lines, fat lines, whatever you want. I love neon yellow, neon pink and neon blue together. I don't know what it is, but I just like these 3 colours together. Don't cure any of these colours. If you get any of the other colour on your brush, just wipe it off on a bit of lint-free wipe. So yeah, don't cure them. And you can use any brush you want. You can use a toothpick, cocktail stick, anything that's pointed, and just pull through. Make sure you wipe your brush off after every pull. And I'm just going to pull straight through down that whole nail. And then I'm going to do it again in the opposite direction. In between those lines that I've just done, I'm going to pull through them again in the opposite direction. So this is like a tie-dye kind of nail. I absolutely love how this looks. Really effective and probably one of the easiest designs I've ever done. I'm going to give that a double cure as well, just because it goes on a bit thick. And again, I'm giving this a matte top coat. I think tie-dye looks so much better in matte. How easy are these designs, guys? And how cute are they? Right, this last one, I wasn't going to do this last one. I think this was just me playing about. I wanted to see how easy it would be to do a nail bed. And it's so easy because the brushes just flick round. They kind of just flick round. They're really easy to use. So I'm just going to fill this free edge with the yellow. And then I'm just going to show you how thin you can get these lines. I was kind of rushing at this point. I probably could have got the lines even thinner. But yeah, if you just use a really, really light touch, you can get really thin lines with these liners. You really can. Yeah, if I took my time a bit more, I could have got them a bit thinner, a bit neater, but it was late. So this is the last nail. I'm just going to do a couple of white lines as well, cure that and give that a matte top coat, and that'll be my little playtime over. Right guys, that's them all finished. Which is your favourite? I'm dying to see which is your favourite. That's my favourite there with the little daisies on. I think them two would make a beautiful set, wouldn't they? I like the tie-dye nail as well though. And the checkered nail if I did it a bit neater and put more thought into it. But yeah, I just wanted to have a play and get used to them. So this is the set I did last night and I absolutely hated them. So I scrapped that and went with the other 4 tips. But yeah, I have recorded the other video. If you want to see it, let me know. Actually, I've probably deleted it. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. I'll leave some pictures at the end of them glowing in the dark. All links will be below as well with my discount code. But yeah, that's it, guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully, I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.